Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss regarding importance of willpower and how willpower helps us to fulfill our goals. Willpower is the ability to remain on predetermined tasks, resisting temptations of other things. Success is achieved for strong desire, indomitable willpower, and inspired action. Since you pass through many setbacks and failures, strong willpower and mental resiliency is especially important. Do you know why you need to fulfill a particular goal is very important to you? This why factor, the why power is the root for your willpower. How to strengthen your willpower? There are some important topics, some important things which help in strengthening your willpower. First is improve your awareness on the desired topic and reaffirm your keen interest for the same. So you should know how you should go, what is your aim, what is your goal, and you should be fully aware what to do. Once you know it very well that what to do, then you will do that one and your willpower will help you. Practice mindfulness, be on the present, meditate to improve your attention and focus. Relax and be more energized. Eat healthy foods. Exercise regularly. Have good sleep. Have clear, measurable goal with a deadline. As I was telling you, this is very specific. The goal must be very specific, measurable, and every time it should dictate you what to do, and that will help you. That will help you to strengthen your willpower. What normally weaknesses your willpower? What are the weaknesses? Self-criticism. You normally indulge in self-talks. So you must not do any self-criticism. You should not criticize yourself too much. That is not good. That will not enhance your willpower. Rather it will reduce. Then stress reduces your willpower. Habit of procrastination reduces your willpower. Addiction to drugs and alcohol, smoking, use of tobacco, this reduces also your willpower. Changes, it affects your mind. Some salient characteristics of willpower. Willpower remains high at morning. It decreases as you go along the day. As you face so many hurdles on the day, like commuting, going by bus or train or somewhere to your office, unfavorable conditions at workplace where you work, your maybe a confrontation with your boss, losing time in a shopping complex. So these may interfere with your state of mind and interfere with your willpower. So since you do all these things in the day, so willpower diminishes along the daytime. At the end of the day, when you meet your family members, your willpower remains low. That is why a lot of debate and discussions go on, and which affects what family conflict or you see happiness at family relationship. So willpower, keep in mind, remains very high at morning, and it goes down, and in the evening time it remains at a low level. So willpower is like muscle; it can be enhanced, it can be it can be strengthened. So regular meditation is the best way to develop willpower. And mind wanders, bring it back. As you develop willpower, brain sensitivity also increases. Once you remain very much determined to do a particular job, your brain catches it, and your grey matter in the brain develops accordingly. So when mind wanders, bring it back. If you develop willpower, brain sensitivity increases. due to neuroplastic nature of the brain, because brain is basically neuroplastic. It is changeable, it is plastic. The prefrontal cortex is an organ, prefrontal cortex in the brain, that provides willpower, and once you exercise willpower, it strengthens the prefrontal cortex. The willpower improves self-discipline, which positively affect self-control, which are interrelated. The self-discipline, willpower, self-control. So strong willpower provides many benefits and packs the brain with more grey matter, which helps you for a better self-control. So suppose with your strong willpower you do something good, so that will help you to develop your brain, and your brain will be able to do further such activities at its own, because it is developed. So more you are able to exercise self-control, more you strengthen your willpower. Reconfigure your mind by clear understanding what you want to achieve and cannot compromise with any other thing. Adopt regular meditation habit to focus adequately. Force yourself initially to turn to a habit. Slowly willpower will help to make a habit a part of your culture. Say suppose you want to do a particular job, you are determined to do it and you are doing it. Since you consistently do it for 21 days or more, it will be your habit. And once it becomes your habit, you will unconsciously go on doing it. So that is the beauty of it. What is beyond willpower? Willpower can be maintained and strengthened with the help of your intellect. This provides good logic and discipline based on ethics to go ahead. Supports moral virtues. So, if mind is wandering, intellect will help to bring the mind in proper shape, in proper position to do the things rightly, not to wander here and there. And that will develop your willpower to control it. So imagine your future and build your future picture. Say suppose how you want to be at the age of 80. Picture your position at that time. How you want to be when you will turn up to 80 and beyond also. This will positively affect your willpower to make you remain fit on that particular time. Think of your short-term distraction versus long-term goals. So if your willpower is strong, strong willpower never distract you from something. It will always help you to achieve your long-term goal and strengthen your mind. So choices you make run on autopilot to support you. You must have some goals, you must be determined to do something, and your willpower will support you. So what are the actions to be done? You need to do something. Willpower, I have told that willpower is like a muscle. It can be enhanced, it can be developed, and it can be depleted also if you don't exercise properly. So please see the following questions as for self-appraisal. What are the questions? The first question is, how often you are confronted with and overcome procrastination? How often you are confronted with and overcome procrastination? How do you procrastinate? Are you a regular procrastinator? So if so, that means your willpower is not very high. So you will have to do something. Do you have smart goals? Do you know what is your goal? Do you know your why power? Do you follow the target dates to achieve the goals? If that is so, that means your willpower is strong. If not, then you will have developed your willpower. Do you practice meditation? If not regularly, then you should do it. Do you exercise daily? If not, then you must do it. Do you practice healthy eating habit? If not, you must do it. At what level you are, from 1 to 5 scale, you just imagine. 1 is poor and 5 is excellent. You may be at 3, you may be at 4, or maybe at 2. If you are at lower side, you should try to develop at the higher side. Do you maintain to-do list? Are you able to follow the same? Say suppose you are prioritizing 3-4 tasks a day, and are you able at the evening to see that you have done majority of the tasks? Do you create and make self-imposed deadlines on your own? How many times you fail? So that will indicate how is your willpower, how to develop, what to do. Do you sleep well? Do you sleep 7 to 8 hours a day? Relax well and gain energy? If not, do so. Do you keep track on your expenditure? That is also very important to keep your mind in proper shape. How can you control temptation and addiction to substances? Addiction, abuse of drugs and alcohol should be stopped. And how you control your temptation? By your willpower. If you do so, it is very good. If you can't do so, then you need to develop your willpower. So you need to check all these things in a scale of 1 to 5, 1 being poor and 5 being the excellent. So keep your self-evaluated weekly reports, maintain such reports that how is your willpower, where you need to improve. You need to compare every weekly reports and think how you can develop. Prepare your development plan for each of the topic to boost your willpower. Have a great day. Thank you. Wish you all the best.